I'm calling it here. I'm saying David did it. The amount of photos I see of him with Celeste, there's just no way he could fight this, bro. The case is already cooked. Like, there's so many photos of him with her. Like, I have so many other photos. Even got this photo of him being him paying off a middle school kid so they won't rat him out. Like, that's crazy. Then obviously there's the FaceTime one. Like, come on, bro. There's no way you could defend this anymore. I feel like he just did it. Like, there's nothing else you can do. It's over. He is a murder and a PDF file. Like, there's no way you could defend this anymore.